So this video is all about succession.
Which surprisingly is about succeeding with your A-levels. So the book sometimes can be a bit confusing in its words. It doesn't matter if you've got our book or AQA or OCR, it can be a bit higgledy-piggledy. So if you don't quite understand or you don't want to tell your teachers you don't understand, we've got two playlists for both your exams at A2 Biology for you to check out. You're probably in one now, you're right.
I'm fine with it. You might be a bit confused. You're talking about succeeding and this is about succession.
Ah, the other one.
The other one, biology one. So it's the biology word.
What's that?
Basically, you chop down a forest, it grows back.
Oh, I know about that. That's
yes,
fine
that's
then,
fine,
isn't it?
it's fine. Oh, they might not though.
Ah, so we should do this before getting the tea.
Yeah, we should tell them.
Okay.
Right, okay. So, succession.
It's not about succeeding with your A-levels.
But this video might help.
There you go.
Absolutely.
Might help.
So there's three main types, but two major main.
Yep.
Yeah.
Two of them linked together, and then the third type
Just
is a bit weird, you know.
Yeah, just chilling. Anyway, first one, it's primary. That's what you do. You go to primary school, then you go to secondary school.
And you succeed in the end.
Yeah, so start with your primary succession. So this is when basically there's a clean slate of land. So volcanoes erupted, everything died. You know, a shame if everything died, wouldn't it?
Especially here. I mean, I'd miss Wilfred.
I miss Wilfred. No, there he goes now. He's
Yeah.
going for a run.
In the rain.
In the rain. Man of his age is
Topless.
crazy. Why is he doing that? He's going to hurt himself. And oh, he didn't see that lamppost, did he?
He didn't. I'm sure he'll be fine.
He'll be fine.
He'll be fine.
Be fine. Anyway, so you have primary succession, and this is all about stone. Only stones are left after volcanic eruption.
Yep, and that could perhaps house some reptiles if it's a hot enough climate.
But if it's not much can live there. But a few things can, and these things are
Algae and lichens, they can deal with the lack of water nutrients and extreme heats.
and lack of minerals and stuff. So they just eat the rocks. There's types of mosses and things.
Yes, they can get in the cracks in rocks which will occur naturally as the rocks hit together by a wind or from the actual eruption itself if it was a volcano. They can get in the cracks.
And then they'll split the cracks in the rocks, and then they'll die, and then they'll grow again. This keep happening, and they'll make a very thin layer of soil.
And this is when we begin to get to secondary succession.
So you're going to start a rap then, you might.
Boom, 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 it's Ben in the house.
And zine rap, different video.
Oh, sorry, yeah. So we get on to secondary, where we've got this thin layer of soil, so very small seeds, which will be dispersed naturally via the wind.
They will. It will grow tiny flowers, and these flowers are rubbish.
They're pathetic,
So
but when
they'll
they die,
Yeah.
by natural causes, mostly, it's going to grow the soil, there's going to be more and more, until eventually you can fit trees in there.
And that ends your secondary succession. You've got a forest will arrive, loads of animals, and that's made a new ecosystem.
It has indeed.
Pretty snazzy, pretty snazzy.
That's succession.
But there's part 3.
There is.
There is.
Deflected succession.
So, I'll throw my hat at Wayne.
It deflected slightly.
It's like they landed on you.
And now we're going to talk about succession. That was a really good example.
Thank you, thank you.
So, deflected succession. As because things grow back, in some parts of the world, you've got a bit too. In some parts of the world, it can happen quicker than in others. And in the UK, we've got some moors and stuff, and that can grow really, really quickly.
Yeah, but what we've done is basically we've stopped it doing that. We've given it loads and loads of sheep.
And the sheep are going to graze, so that less of it's just going to grow old and die and grow more soil, and so trees can't grow. It's going to be trampled a bit, so the seeds aren't going to be dispersed as well.
So basically, succession doesn't happen. So what we're doing as a species is deflecting it by keeping our sheep.
Yep. So does that mean I need a sheep in my garden?
I think it does, because if you don't, you'll have a jungle. The next thing you'll know, there'll be tiny gorillas growing.
Oh wow, yes.
I know, amazing.
And giant ants.
Giant ants, and maybe the next topic.
Maybe.
Speaking of the next topic.
We better go on to that.
Yeah, go on to that. So, cup of tea, I think.
Oh, I did say.